What it do? It's your boy Young Cash. About to give you that Facebook freestyle round two. You heard me? Alright, so I say, I'm going in, so hold on to your hats, bro. Coming at y'all through the web, but you swear it was an in your face live in person flow. And it's about to get nasty. Yeah, I got that close the curtains flow. But one thing is certain though. Soon I'll be on stage with that open up the curtains flow. Taking shots to let my worries go. No, my haters can't stand me like vertigo. And y'all are all witnesses to this murder show. And since I'm preaching, this is how I open up the sermon, yo. I say I'm coming for the throne. I just want it to be known because I'm done giving warnings, bro. So heed this final warning, bro, or I'll leave your body falling and my goons yelling Geronimo's. Cause I'm too sick. You barely caught the common code. And we don't have no common goals, cause my only goals are getting gold or going platinum. I know you dudes see me cause I IMAX them. Your bitches I climax them. But never would I let a woman sidetrack them, cause I would just subtract them. And no homo, but real niggas I seem to abstract them. And we just add on to our current G shit that we are currently on. We just get our money, fuck these bitches and move on. But these pussy niggas just seem to cling on. Man, they need to catch on with this movement that we moving to. But the syrup in our cup got us moving slow and banging screw. Shit, you think it's hot in Texas in June? Try stepping in a room full of my goons when they all packing heaters, dude. I swear my hood is like a fucking zoo. We got killers, drug dealers, and gamblers. I'm knocking at the door to say who is it? I reply it's hip hop's new messenger, and I'm blowing up like the Challenger. Now scratch that, I'm destroying all my challengers. Cash Chronicles, July 4th, homie, mark it on your calendars. Cause it'll be a night to remember, but one we'll probably forget. But that only means we did it big. Man, rest in peace to Big. I know where I'm headed cause I know where I've been. I swear I'm hotter than some sin. I'm gone like the wind. Cash in the race and you know I'm gonna win. They say Cash, where you been? I just been getting my mind right, my grind right, getting ready for this limelight that my team's pictured since day one. And I can feel it coming on like a sunburn from this damn Texas sun. But understand ain't no one hotter than me in Texas. Boy, no, not even that damn Texas sun. But look, I'm done playing father to these kids who think they go harder than everyone they've heard of. That's why I'm spitting this new shit that's so unheard of. Yeah, in both sense of the word. And y'all probably don't get it, but my dudes graduated, so I know that they get it. So forget your gats and fitted hats for 1 minute. That cap and gown should be the only thing you trying to get custom fitted. You dig it? Cause at school shit I'm with it, but the street shit I live it, and I live it in the fast lane. So I got a pocket full of tickets and a phone full of bad bras digits and a pocket full of cheese, and I'm about to go spend it on some swag accessories. Me and hip hop, that's a necessity. My flow's ice cold, but these rappers still sweating me. I know a bad woman who be dancing and I'll be taking her out shit as long as she'll be letting me. But of course she will, cause I'm YC. Shout out to my soldiers overseas. And to the soldiers on the block with me, who are down to hold the weed and heat for me. They know I die for them, sketch down to take the heat for me. Shout out to my homegirl Gorgeous who be holding down the clubs for me. Shout out to RNE and to those supposed gangsters living on the beach. Shit, come to my hood, will leave you fucking RIP. And you best believe I'ma keep doing me even after a label signs me. Cause really it's only a matter of time before one of them finds me. And the same bitches who hated on me gonna be the same ones at my shows waiting on me. Man, I can't wait for that, homie. I'm just trying to get my cheese, fuck all that baloney. But rappers nowadays are so phony. But me, I keep it real. I'ma keep spitting this shit until I get my deal. And that'll be the only time I'll be happy to see all the bills, for real. Well, I gotta get back to smoking on this kill. This another one of what y'all call acapellas. I just call them silent kills. YC.